Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are following our eTime Track Lite tutorial series, you are now on the second and very important step, configuring the master settings. In our first video, we learned how to create and set up your company profile. If you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. It's the foundation for everything else. Today, we move one step ahead by configuring the master settings. These are the core settings that define how your eTime Track Lite system will behave. So let's dive in the video. Select Masters from the tab, then click Master Settings. Here one sent option is Employee Code in Device is same. In this option, make it as checked so that Employee ID and Device ID will be same. Next is Fixed Shift. If your company have only one shift, then make it as checked and enter begin time and end time as per your company timing. It should be in 24-hour format. If you have multiple shifts in your company, then make fixed shift as disabled and you can create multiple shift by clicking shift details and you can add. We will discuss the same in upcoming videos. Next option in master settings is attendance year starts on. You can set attendance year as your financial year. Next is minimum difference between two punches. Is an important setting under the master configuration. It helps in cleaning up duplicate or unnecessary punch data captured from biometric devices, ensuring accurate attendance calculation and preventing punch errors. Purpose of this function is to control employees may punch multiple times within a few seconds or minutes, either intentionally or by mistake. For example, if someone punches in at 9 a.m. and again at 9:01 a.m., system will consider second punch unnecessary. In another case, if using face biometric machine, may occur duplicate punches when employee stay in front of biometric device after his punch. We can control all those cases by setting minimum to punch duration. Next is punch begin duration. This setting that plays a vital role in processing shift-based attendance correctly. It determines how early before the shift start time and in punch should be considered valid for that day's attendance. Let's say your shift starts at 9 a.m. and an employee punches in at 7 a.m. Without restrictions, the system might still count this as there in punch. For example, by setting a punch begin duration 60 minutes, the system will only consider punches from 8:00 a.m. onwards, that is 60 minutes before the shift start. Next is when no shift assigned. Consider this option is used to control how the system handles attendance punches when no shift is assigned to an employee on a given day. This is especially important in companies that have rotational or dynamic shifts, weekly offs without fixed rosters, employees who occasionally work without being scheduled. Here we have two options for multiple shifts. First is previous day shift. This option will consider last day's shift of employee and choose same shift. Second is auto shift. This option will automatically choose shift by punch in time, which is nearer And the last is auto backup. The auto backup feature in eTime Track Lite is a crucial safety mechanism that helps you protect your attendance data from accidental loss, system failures, or corruption. In any attendance or HR management system, data integrity is critical, and auto backup ensures your organization doesn't lose important employee records, attendance logs, shift details, and reports. Firstly, set frequency in days and per your needs, and select path where you want to backup the eTime Track Lite database. That's it for today's video on configuring master settings in eTime Track Lite. Once this is set up, your attendance system will run smoother and smarter. In our next video, we'll guide you on how to manage shift timings effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. We'll be happy to help.